Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to install and download Microsoft SQL Server on our Windows. So first of all you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser. Here it is Chrome. You can open any browser of your own choice. So firstly, I am going to type install SQL Server. A number of search results have appeared over here. So as you can see, SQL Server is officially owned by Microsoft. So simply I will click on the first link over here. A new page has opened. Downside the page you can see that there are two additions basically. The first one is developer and the second is express. The basic difference between developer and express version is that for developer is for a non-production environment, whereas express edition or express version is for production environment. So this is basically free. So all I need to do is to click on download now button. So as you can see, SQL Server is getting downloaded on my Windows. So exe file has been downloaded over here. Simply click on that. First of all, it will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to the device. Tap on yes. So as you can see, things are getting ready. So over here you have three installation types basically. First one is basic, second is custom, and then there is download media. So you can go further in detail and check out what is the basic difference between all of these three types. So if you are a beginner, then you can simply go for the basic installation type. So these are all the terms and conditions needed to use this over here. Simply I am clicking on the accept button. See, there is install location. I can keep this as it is. Now tap on the button install. This may take a couple of minutes. So as you can see, install package is going to be downloaded over here. So the download and installation has got completed. As you can see, there is a connection string, then there is a log folder. Log folder basically deals with capturing all the errors which may appear. Next there is installation media folder, and then you have installation resources folder, right? Now I'm going to click on connect now over here. So if this command prompt appears, it means that you have successfully installed SQL Server on your Windows. Next there is an option you can see, install SSMS. So as you can see, this is an integrated environment. In other words, I can say that it's a sort of management studio, right? So all you need to do is to click on the button install SSMS. So a web page has opened over here. As you can see, this is the latest version of SSMS and it has got a free download. So click on the link over here. Again in the download section you can see that SSMS Management Studio is going to be installed. So as you can see, it will take around about 25 to 30 minutes to get downloaded. Till then I'm giving a pause to my video so that your time doesn't get wasted. See you soon. See, the download is going to get completed soon, although it has taken a lot of time. So SSMS is basically a management studio for your SQL Server. So as you can see, exe file has been downloaded. Simply click on it. So here, as you can see, the SQL Server Management Studio has been downloaded. This is the location. So I can keep this as it is and click on install. Again click on the button yes. So as you can see, it is downloading packages. As you can see, all the specified components have been installed successfully. Simply I am closing this. Now go to the start menu, and here you can open SQL Server Management Studio. So we have downloaded and installed successfully the SQL Server. Okay, so server name has appeared over here by default, so I don't need to make any changes and simply click on connect. So this is the main home page of SQL Server. Here you can create a new query by clicking over the new query, right? Also in the downside, in the bar over here, you can see that this is connected. Also you can change the resolution. So this is where you can create any databases or tables and views and more things like that. For this you will get a separate video on my channel. Till then, take care, and if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.